Here we got a 1958 Ford Fairlane, 58 Ford Fairlane. You can see it's got the, I imagine that scoop is probably more functional than some of the other ones they had later on in the 60s, because it's, the air is actually catching in there. And here's the interior. Automatic transmission. Which actually, that was a big deal even in 1958. I know the car was available for many years before in 58, but still, those cars were pretty much manual back then. And survivors probably were more well equipped. We probably see more automatic transmissions. Here's your 3 on the tree. I remember a lot of them. People get the floor shifter, I got a 3-speed on the floor, whatever, freaking whatever. It actually is a little easier in some ways because of, they consider it more racing, but it's really kind of gets in your way though, 3 on a tree is actually pretty practical. And you look at the roof line here, it's a little more roof strength with those creases in there. Big lot of steel on this car. Again, you look at the trim, and nobody designed these things with CAD/CAM computers. It was all with clay and drafting drawings and stuff. It's like here they're coming out with stuff, totally new designs. I think everybody today is a bunch of yo-yos, man. They got all these computers and they can't even come up with anything new. Come up with new taillights or something, new headlights. I think it's a plastic lump of plastic melted some different way. They're making things out of steel without computers and they're coming up with more designs. It's amazing. People are getting dumber, that's for sure. Definitely less creative. Yeah, she's a beauty, HotRod.